If your Sony Smart TV is running slow, freezing, experiencing software issues, or if you are planning to sell or give it away, performing a factory reset can help restore it to its original settings. Let me show you complete process step by step. First, open the settings menu on your Sony TV. Under settings, scroll down and select system. Next, go to about. Inside the about section, select reset and then choose factory reset. A warning message will now appear on the screen informing you that the resetting TV will restore it to its factory default settings and permanently erase all data including your account's downloaded apps, files and personal settings. If you are sure you want to continue, select erase everything. To confirm once again, select erase everything. The Sony TV will now restart automatically. The reset process may take several minutes, so be patient. During this time, you'll see an erasing notification on the screen. You don't need to press any button or turn off the TV. Simply wait until the process is complete. Once the reset is finished, the TV will reboot again and display the initial setup screen. Now you'll need to set up your TV just like when it was new. The TV will now finish applying your settings. This may take a few minutes, so just wait until it's complete. Now that's it. Your Sony Smart TV has now been successfully reset and is ready to use.